Do you love gardening just as much as us? We want to show you how to make a 4 by 8 foot raised bed. You're going to need 2.5 or 3-inch wood screws, an impact wrench, 4 4x4s. These are cut to 7 1/4 in the height. These are going to stabilize the corners of our raised bed. 3 2x8s, 1, 2, 3. This one is cut in half. This is going to be the ends, and the long piece is going to be the sides. You're also going to need some safety glasses, and newspaper, and landscaping fabric. We're going to put the landscaping fabric and the newspaper over the grass, and this is going to keep the weeds, it'll be a weed barrier from the weeds getting up into our soil when we plant our garden.
We're making a garden.
Good job. You're going to need 6 screws per corner and a cute little helper to hand you the screws. Right, Jack?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're going to square up the edges here. And it's a little bit off because the floor is uneven. So I'm going to lift up this bottom board. I have a screw on there. Drive the screw into the 4x4. So I'm going to apply pressure to my screw. I give it a nice squeeze. We have just weeded the ground that the garden is going to be on top of. We're prepping it so we can put the garden fabric on top of that. I'm just getting a few stubborn pieces of grass. Jack is getting all the grass off of our area that our garden is going to be on. Aren't you, buddy?
I'm going to roll out the fabric.
Rolling
out this fabric. The next step is to lay down some newspaper.
I got my newspaper.
Me too.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Roxy has hers.
Yeah, he has hers.
What are we going to plant in our garden?
Yeah.
Broccoli. What else?
Onion. Yeah.
Onions. What about the peppers?
Yeah, there's 2. I want my black boots to go in the garden.
Okay, here we go.